sure.
Yeah, so we're gonna wait for Christmas. We'll sell that. You can have a picture of Ralphie at your house. We'll put up all the other pictures. And then, oh yeah, this box, Josh.
That was the box we wanted to look through, but you said no.
No.
No, we're not allowed.
Not allowed.
No,
not yet.
Can't do it.
So we did put this on top because it's one of the first boxes I want to look through. What I liked about the box, it says what, Josh?
Merry Christmas, 1959.
Old, old, old. Hello everybody, welcome. It's Robert and
The Bearded Wonder?
the Bearded Wonder, yes. And we're here, we bought a locker the other day and we haven't got a chance to go through it. And the one reason I did buy, sorry, a little loud there. One reason I did buy the locker was because of this cool, ornate easel. And then easel over here. And then on that easel was this picture. And it looks like it is maybe a print here. It is signed down here. It could be original. But I guess it's probably a print. It's a really nice piece. Have to get it looked at. So, but we have that piece there, and it has this beautiful easel. And it was facing the other way. And then there's more art and stuff in there. Here we had two Amish girls right there getting some deep fried food. Little picture. Little original. Watercolor, or little oil paint here. Just a picture. Some waves crashing. Another original painting by Bud. A lot of stuff had Bud's name on there. Then we had some photographs. Kid feeding the little ducks there. And some more. Just photographs. So, all that kind of stuff in there. And we had these cases, which we wanted to see what was in here. So let's take a look. Looks like we got pictures. Some of them are matted. Looks like all kids. Original photographs. So that's number one. So obviously this person was probably a photographer. Maybe we'll find some camera stuff in there.
That would be
some
sweet.
Artwork in there. So we have more original pictures. Looks like we actually have some places on this one. That one's kind of cool. Tall ships. Looks like they all have something in the back. Acro Camera Club digital class. So. A little lizard. And we got one more. So these are all more just pictures.
Yeah.
So all these pictures. And then we got all this stuff to go through. So, all this stuff over here, this stuff is not part of it.
Oh, he broke the tote. Broke the tote.
But first thing we'll do is probably start off maybe. This was in there. And I said the kid looks like
Ralphie, for sure.
Yeah, so we're going to wait for Christmas. We'll sell that. You can have a picture of Ralphie at your house. We'll put up all the other pictures. And then, oh yeah, this box, Josh.
That was the box we wanted to look through, but you said no.
No.
No, we're not allowed.
Not allowed.
No.
Not yet.
Can't do it.
So we did put this on top because it's one of the first boxes I want to look through. And what I liked about the box, it says what, Josh?
Merry Christmas, 1959.
Old, old, old. Alright. Well, there you go. Something right out the rip. We got an old doll. And this doll, it looks like it's composite. So that makes it real old. It has porcelain teeth. The eyes do open and close, so it's a sleepy doll. And most dolls like this, see, look at the legs, they're starting to craze. It still has value. Usually the dolls are marked on the back of the head here. This one doesn't have no mark in there. We'll lift this up just a little bit more. I don't see a mark in there. So now we have to look on the back. And
Yeah, I don't know.
this dial's all closed up. So, I mean, in my guesstimation, I would say it's probably a German dial, but I could be wrong. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh. A little storage. So, look at, we have a blue and a pink one. A little diaper thing, so some kind of, maybe it was a reveal party and the ones that have stuff in it was the baby.
Yeah.
Now will be pastels. Ooh.
More dolls.
Definitely. Of course, we got this little carved out of solid wood. A little Jesus hanging there. Okay, now we got 2 dolls in here, sleepy eye dolls. So we'll have to do a little research on these. This one's missing its legs. And we got a, probably for some school.
Winner, winner.
So this is a very interesting box so far. And let's see what else we got in here. Looks like a little wedding yearbook. Akron, Ohio, wedding yearbook. Let's see if there's a date in here. 1955, Josh.
That's pretty cool.
So it looks like everything in here is
So that
like,
kind of dates it a little bit.
looks like everything in here is probably in the 50s. So, ooh, look at this. Snapshots, Rock City Gardens, Lookout Mountain, Lover's Leap.
That's pretty cool.
Man, it's like mint condition. Leather, I hate to even open it. It looks like it's never been used.
Don't open it.
Look at it, never used.
That's pretty cool.
It's got a leather back.
That's
So,
pretty sweet.
this box has been good so far. I don't know what this is. It says Blossom Shop. I'm hoping it's not old.
Or corsage or
Yeah,
something.
that's what I'm hoping it's not. But it might be. And it is.
Ooh,
Somebody's
probably was
corsage.
pretty.
Probably was a long one. Probably 1950 something. So let's see this one. Oh, the wedding topper for the cake.
Oh,
Looks like it's made out of sugar, Josh.
I'll try it.
Uh-oh. The bearded one to eat it? I need him to come to work tomorrow, though.
If it's sugar, sure.
Alright, I've got this here. Parents, Ancestors, Chapter 1. Who needs a report out there? We'll solve the
Family
motion.
report right there. All your background information needed.
Oh, look at that.
Pocono
Pocono
Mountain.
Mountains.
Mhm.
So that's pretty cool. A little vintage piece. A lot of people like these old maps. So it looks like it's in great condition. Let's see if we find a date on this one. No date yet, Josh?
I don't know. I'm not really looking at it. You are.
I said no date yet, Josh.
No.
I'm just telling you.
Oh, thank you.
I wasn't asking you for a date.
Oh, okay.
1965 to 66 edition.
Okay. It's the newest thing in there so far.
Homecoming week. Upon our journey here below, we meet with pain and loss. Oh, sorry. Ooh,
What's that? Is there any money in there?
I'm hoping that.
Come on.
We'll never get that lucky.
Oh! Get out of here. There was money in there.
Yeah.
Is there a silver note?
1963. It's pretty nice condition, not great, but it's $1.
That's funny. You never find money in wallets.
Uh-huh.
No way.
Let's see. Nothing in the
Oh.
hidden stash. Alright. Little receipt action here, 1968 receipt. Let me look at this. I want to show him his names here. There's a sporting, fishing, trapping, and hunting license, 1965. Nothing else really in here. You have a couple. Gentleman's name. His middle name's Ralph.
Hey, Ralph.
Ralphie.
Oh, it's...
That's probably what the movie's based off of, is this guy. So we did get $1. And
we never find dollar in wallets.
Merry Christmas, everybody. It's coming up. Oh, no way.
It's an old pop-up book.
Oh.
That's sweet.
Oh, very cool. Night before Christmas and all through the house. Josh wasn't even moving. 1949.
That's super cool.
Oh, a little damage there, but still very cool.
But still, looks to be there.
It's there, 1949. Somebody out there probably had this when they were a kid. It's a very cool piece. It's in pretty good shape. You said a little bit. I'm excited to see what else is in here.
Now you are.
Ooh, what do we got here? Kodak. Some kind of film. It says something here. Don't forget that right here. 1958, Wadsworth. The Whisper. Here's the yearbook. Oh, something in here. Here we go. Graduate's attention. Here's some pictures from the book. Paper cutouts. Woo! Who knows? That's not from there, Josh.
No, it's not, but it's still kind of cool. Atari Force.
So here's what the kids looked like back then.
Nothing like today, that's for sure.
Oh, all old pictures, it looks like. Look at that class. 1951. Old classes. Cars. All kind of stuff. Old pictures. Little girl. There's the wedding. That's probably the stuff that's the wedding stuff's from. Here's her with her accordion. Cool. So we got a whole history going back here. We got another book here. Looks like all writings. Little scrapbook, notebook. University of Akron. Hopefully it's filled with money, but no. Little report, picture. Little veil, Josh.
Put it on, man.
That's for you, man.
No.
Only Barry wanted to put that stuff on.
No.
Here's a little vintage thing. Happy meal times for your baby. Congratulations, 1967. So they had the baby, got married, and got married to have the baby, I should say. Or vice versa, who knows? And all kind of things paper in here. Hopefully there's some jewelry or something in here.
That would be nice, but I doubt it.
Just don't ruin my good times. Barberton. Now we got a bunch of, here we go, Strickland's meal. Strickland's How to Get There. I never heard of it before. Honeymoon Plans, 1965. Holiday Inn in Allentown, Pennsylvania. I was just over by Allentown.
Oh, yeah?
Oh.
You didn't buy anything, did you?
No. I was doing auction trade jobs.
Oh, okay, good.
Look at that. 1966. Strickland Island Cottages. Pocono, Pennsylvania. Nice vintage pieces. All kind of old paper. Casting all care upon him, for he careth for you.
Okie
Ooh,
dokie.
look what's on here, Josh.
Oh, man.
So we got little pieces here. So we got an old little pin. Enameled. Nothing too fancy, but it's got a nice little painting on there. And then we got another pin in here. Old piece of costume jewelry. Looks like a 4-leaf clover, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
But it's got the blue on there. Beautiful piece.
Are you sure it's costume?
Yeah. Could be platinum. Could be gold. We hope. I want to say costume, but yeah. See, Josh, I sold you jewelry. Nothing too great, but greatest boss award I got from Josh. This is why I got Josh the greatest employee award.
Thank you.
That's an old one there. Down here. But feel the weight of this one, Josh.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Alright, once again from the wedding. We got a whole wedding set, Josh.
If you need to get married,
Here's more
here
about
you
the
go.
Strickland. Professional entertainment. Whoa.
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 Careful now. Careful.
Strickland activities.
What is that, like a honeymoon place?
Yeah, skiing in Mount Pocono, man. They probably have hot tubs shaped like hearts there, Josh.
Oh, that's sweet.
Old picture. Oh. I just saw a set of jewelry on top.
No bottom.
That's probably from our box. Right there.
There it is.
Leeds jewelry. We got $1 and some jewelry.
Now we got a lead for our jewelry. That's cool.
Yeah. That's probably
It's a marble base, huh?
Guest book, yeah. Josh can never do these.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. More paperwork.
It's not my cup of tea.
Junior achievement. Oh, that's probably was out.
On that, yeah. Look at that.
1958.
Perfect.
I thought it was for me. Oh, here's the other one, Josh. Top Company Award, it says, and it's made out of plastic. That's what you get. Top Company Award. Looks like we got some more old photos. Man, this is the first box. We picked a good box. I wish all would be this good, but I doubt that.
How do you open that, man?
There it is.
Got it. Not that old.
Good old Josh. It's black and white. Older than your parents, probably, Josh.
Maybe.
They are in high school 1965 or 1958.
Yeah. No.
Josh. Uh-oh, there's something hidden down here.
I think my mother was born in 1952.
52, he says. And look at this giant pencil. Great Scott.
What?
Giant pencil. So
What?
we got some jewelry, $1. Bunch of old paperwork. And some nice old dolls. We have the antique collectible auction coming up, so we'll put this stuff right in the antique collectible auction. Carry this box right over. And let's see. Oh, I know this came out of the unit.
Yeah, that thing's super sweet.
Take a look at that. It does have a little damage down here. It's broke.
But it does not affect the face one bit, because that looks awesome.
This is a beautiful piece. That's cool. I'm going to hand this off to Josh. I'm going to switch for a minute. Take that. Bearded Wonder. Look at it. Hold on. Is that Josh? We'll put that next to you. Oh my gosh. Put a little red on Josh's nose. That could be him. Yes, the Bearded Wonder and Santa Claus. Might be the same person.